Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So kamusta ang mga Earth signs natin dyan? No? So anong meron sa mga Earth signs natin today? So yeah, let's see. Universe, please, Holy Spirit, anong meron sa ating mga Earth signs? So kuha muna tayo ng mga cards nyo, no? Mga Earth signs natin dyan, no? So, yeah. Anong meron sa mga Earth signs natin, no? You have 4 cards na. So, tignan pa natin. What else, please? What else para sa ating mga Earth signs? So, ayan na yung kunin natin. So, you have 5 cards, no? Anong meron sa mga Earth signs? So, ang dami pala nito. So, you have the Chariot, Temperance in reverse, 7 of Wands in reverse, no? So, ano ba to? So, Page of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, and 9 of Cups, and the Hermit, no? So, ano ito, no? Mga Earth signs, no? So, parang I think ang Earth signs natin ay busy right now, no? For some of you, busy sa work, no? Something like that, no? Wala kayong, kumbaga, ang dami nyong ginagawa, no? Something like that, no? Mga Earth signs, no? So, wala na kayong pahinga, no? Kumbaga, some of, So, yan, no? For some of you, no? Mahilig kayo siguro, ang work ninyo ay travel, no? For some of you, kung saan kayo nagpupunta. That's why sobrang nakakapagod din, no? So, more on ano talaga to, movements, getting into places, no? Something like that, no? Mga air signs, no? So, palagi talaga kayong busy, no? Something like that. And then, wala na kayong pahinga, no? And, yeah. But then, masaya naman kayo, no? For some of you, masaya kayo kung ano tong ginagawa nyo, something like that, no? So, masaya kayo sa ngayon. Masaya kayo kung ano man itong ginagawa nyo. But then, of course, siguro, I think is, kailangan nyo pa rin ng pahinga, no? Katulad ng reading natin kanina sa water sign, no? Sobrang workaholic, no? So, yeah, ito rin ay kayo din na mga earth sign, no? So, sa sobrang dami nyong ginagawa, no, wala na rin kayong time for yourself, no, mga earth sign, no. So, sinasabi dito, magpahinga-hinga rin naman kayo, no. Take some time alone, no, with yourself, no. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga talaga, no. Meditation, getting solitude, no, something like that, no. Kailangan nyo ng time, alone time, no. Wala na kayong, hindi nyo na naaalagaan yung sarili nyo, no? Mga earth sign, no? For some of you, dahil ang dami nyong ginagawa, no? Lalo na with the 7 of Cups, no? Ang dami mga opportunities, no? For some of you, so nalilito na kayo. But then, kung makikita mo, may snake dito. So, be careful of choosing, no? Something, no? Not all of the offers are genuine, no? There are some na fake, or maybe a scammer, no? For some of you. So, maybe sa iba na mag-i-invest, ingat-ingat, baka makatapat kayo ng scammer, no? Something like that, no? So, hindi pa laging mahilig kayong mag-invest ng pera nyo, no? Something like that. So, be careful dahil merong snake, no? Something like that. Merong manluloko around you, no? Water sign. Earth sign, no? So, yeah. Ay, hindi nyo nakikita ko rito. And then, of course, kailangan nyo ng pahinga, no? For some of you, earth sign. Kasi kung saan kayo pumupunta, places to places, no? Ayan siguro ang work, no? Ng karamihan sa inyo. That's why pagod na pagod kayo palagi, no? So, yeah. And then, with the Page of Pentacles and here, no? So, wag kayong agad invest into something, no? Na akala nyo ay maganda lang sa bungad. But then, yung pala, deeper is may snake, mai-scam kayo, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko rin. But then, overall, is masaya naman kayo kung ano tong mga ginagawa nyo sa sarili nyo, no? Something ginagawa nyo sa kaperahan nyo. Puro kayo, masipag talaga ang earth sign, no? So, kailangan nyo lang talaga ng pahinga rin, no? Something like that, no? So, tignan naman natin, kamusta naman ang inyong love life, no? So, mga air sign, no? Kasi lagi kayong busy, no? So, tignan naman natin, may love life pa ba kayo? Kamusta naman ang love life ng ating mga earth signs, no? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, 2 cards down. So, kuha pa tayo ng ilang cards, no? For you, earth signs. So, please, what else, no? Kamusta pa ang ating mga earth signs, no? Ang daming lumabas sa inyong love life, no? So, tignan natin yan, mga earth signs. Kasi busy kayo lagi, no? So, you have this soulmate, everlasting. So, yan, no? May maganda rito, no? So, him, divine masculine, no? So, tignan natin, ano yan? So, maybe for some, no, you have this shifter, no? So, tignan natin muna yan. You have silence, no contact, what else? Disappearing, ghosted, no? And then, friends, influences, and last one, magnetic attraction, no? So, yeah. Meron for some of you, I think is no contact, no? For some of you na no contact situation kayo ng iyong person, no? Something like that is because, no? May ghosting na nangyari dito, no? Earth sign, no? For some of you, merong hiwalay dito or merong hindi magkasama, something like that because may nang ghost, no? Maybe ikaw or ikaw ay ginosted ng iyong person. Why? Because some of his or her friends are a BI, no? Bad influence, no? Influenced by some friends, no? Maybe, I don't know, no? But then, because meron ditong shapeshifter, no? So, merong mapagpanggap dito, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, maybe ito yung isang scenario sa inyong love life situation ng mga earth sign, no? Someone na no contact, no? Kung sino man ang silence, no? Walang pag-uusap, no contact situation dito is because may separation na nangyari, may ghosting dito na nangyari because of the BI friends, no? Bad influence na mga friends, no? Something like that ay naapektuhan ang inyong relationship, no? I don't know kung ano pang nangyari, no? So, ito lang naman yung lumabas. And some of you are with this soulmate, no? So, for some of you, earth sign with this divine masculine here and also magnetic attraction here, no? So, for some of you, you are dealing with your soulmate, no? Or you will be dealing with your soulmate soon, no? So, for some of you na mga single dyan, in the near future, you will find your soulmate, no? You will be getting married soon, no? For some of you, no? Because this is a fated connection, no? Ang mga earth sign, kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, no? So, yeah, maybe, kung ikaw tong may separation, maybe in the near future, your true soulmate will be coming to you, no? So, yeah, earth sign, no? So, kung sino lang din makaka-resonate. But I think, other than that, disregard the soulmate word, no? The one is coming for you, no? So, in the near future, no? Earth sign, no? Yeah. Yung kung sino yung talagang para sa'yo, no? Magkakaroon ng magnetic attraction agad dito. Once na nakilala mo tong divine masculine or feminine, no? So, take what's resonate, no? Gender tayo dito, no? Whatever the gender is, basta kapag may naramdaman kayong something magnetic, no? Na iba yung intense, no? And that's the person for you, no? That's the one, no? So, ayun na yun, no? Ang para sa'yo, earth sign, no? So, yeah. So, maganda naman yung magiging love life nyo in the near future, no? Mga earth sign, no? So, right now, so, yeah, focus lang kayo right now sa inyong growth, no? So, maganda yan, no? Yeah, para naman hindi rin kayo, kumbaga, once na you are ready to settle, no? Something like that because you are stable na, no? So, tignan na lang natin anong final advice or message for you ni universe, no? Kasi nga, sobrang sipag ng ating mga, but then overall din dito is kailangan nyo rin ng pahinga, no? Just like the water sign, no? So, what's the advice for you from the universe, no? Mga earth signs, advice or message from the universe, please. Advice or message for the universe. So, I think yung self-care oracle lang kunin natin, no? Because you really need time for yourself, no, mga earth sign, no? So, tignan natin. Universe, Holy Spirit, ano pong message nyo for the earth signs, no? Ano pong self-care message for the earth sign. So, meron ng isang lumabas. So, tignan natin yan. Ano yan? So, you have this, look to the stars. No? So, for some of you, earth sign, maybe mahilig kayong tumingin sa stars, no? So, at night, no, lumalabas siguro kayo. So, yeah, maybe for some of you, mas makakatulong ito to meditate, no? Something like that by night, no? With the moon, kung makikita mo rito. For you to open your chakras, to realign your chakras, something like that, no? For some of you, earth signs, no? So, yeah, maybe with the stars, no, ay makakakuha kayo ng mga creative ideas, something like that, because you are so creative right now, no? Ang dami nyo kasi nagmo-multitasking kayong right now, mga earth signs, eh, no? So, maybe you are still thinking of some ideas pa, no? So, maybe with the stars at night, no? Makakatulong to, ikalma ang inyong sarili because you are so tired right now. Meditate, calm yourself, and then maybe bigla kayong magkakaroon pa ng other ideas, no? And you can create that idea, make it a reality, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, because you are so creative right now. So, take advantage of that earth sign, no? So, malaking bagay itong pagiging creativity nyo, no? Something like that, no? Marami kayong magagawa. Lalo na sa stability nyo, makakatulong tong pagiging creative nyo. Kung makikita nyo rito, itong hands nyo, no? Something like that, no? Yung mga kamay nyo daw, earth sign is something, no? There is something in your hands na sobrang creative, no? Something like that. And with the stars, maybe makakakuha kayo ng ideas pa. Some ideas na mas makakatulong sa inyong creativity, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, no? Earth sign. So, take what's resonate lang for you, mga earth sign, kung sino lang din makaka-relate dito. So, yeah, work and work and work ang mga earth signs natin ngayon, no? So, pahinga-pahinga din, no? Pag may time. And, yeah, napakalakas ng self-confidence nyo right now, and creativity is really getting stronger and stronger, no? Something like that, at masaya kayo kung anong ginagawa nyo right now. So, ituloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. But then, make sure na you are still taking care of yourself, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, earth sign. And please, always, huwag kayong mawawala ng faith kay God sa whatever, etong man lahat ng ginagawa ninyo, etong mga creative ideas nyo, without God, without universe, you cannot accomplish that. But because universe is with you, that's why you have that, right? So, don't forget to be thankful of those gifts na binigay sa'yo ni God, right? Earth sign. So, that's it for your earth sign. God bless you all. And yeah, thank you for watching, earth signs.